Hey guys, welcome back to another quick tutorial video of Tech It Simple. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can search for sent mail by you in Gmail. So, without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Firstly, you have to open your Gmail application. After opening the application, simply click on these three bars in the top left corner. From there, you just simply have to go into this Sent Mail option. And after going to that level, just simply click on Search an Email at the top. From there, select the labels for sent emails. And after clicking there, if you have a lot of mails, you just simply have to click on Search an Emails option again. Search for any of the highlighted text and the email addresses that you want to find and click on Search. You'll get all the search results there. By following these very easy steps, you can get all of your sent emails in Gmail. I hope this video was helpful. If it really was, don't forget to like the video and share it with your friends. And for more future contents like this, consider subscribing to our channel, Tech It Simple. Thank you for watching the video.